Welcome back. Government has presented Xeldem High School with KTC bus for students. The government school children face tremendous difficulties due to inadequate transport facility in Xeldem.
आज कुडचडे आमचे गव्हर्नमेंट हायस्कूल शेळले हे वाठारान गव्हर्नमेंटान बस दिवन भुरग्यांचेर आनी हांगाच्या लोकांचेर जी आश्वासनां प्रॉमिस केल्ली ती पुराय केल्ली आसा. आज जरी तरी सगळ्याक बसी दिवना फुडें दितले अशें गव्हर्नमेंटान सांगलां, पूण पयली लॉटाचे ते 15 बसी जे अलॉट केल्ले आसा हांव गव्हर्नमेंटाक थँक्यू म्हणूंक सोदता की पर्सिस्टंट इन्क्वायरी आनी पर्सिस्टंट एफर्ट्सान जी पयली बस कुडचड्या वाठारान ही दिल्ली आसा, वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट बसीस.
Headmaster of the school, Sairaj Desai, expects enrollment of students to increase with transport facility to government schools.
फाटली 2-3 वर्सां जाली आमची भुरगीं जी पळय आसा पळय चलून वताली. तांकां खूबसो त्रास जातालो कारण पावसाक लागून तांकां त्रास जातालो आनी शाळेक तुगेले वेळेर पावना आसली आनी ती भिजताली. तेन्ना आमी पालक शिक्षक संघान तुगेले एक रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिवन आमच्या आमदाराक आमी विनंती केली की आमकां ह्या शाळेक एक अत्यंत बसीची गरज आसा आनी त्या प्रमाणे ताणें मान दिवन ती आमकां बस दिल्ल्या बद्दल हांव शाळेच्या तर्फे ताजे आभार मानता.
डांबरा वयल्यान भुरगीं चलत येतालीं, अर्द तास तांचो वेस्ट वतालो, तांकां पुरो जातालें. आनी मेडियल क्लासीस आसताले तांकां घरा कडेन वचून परत येवपाक पुरो जातालें. आतां बस येयला ताचे मुळे आमकां खूब फायदो जाला.
Government has decided to provide transport facility to all the students of government schools in the state through KTC. Government has provided buses to aided schools under Indira Bal Rath Yojana. Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
It's World Elders Abuse Awareness Day. Helpage India in its report has stated son is the main perpetrator of elders abuse in Goa. According to the report, daughter-in-law has been reported as a primary perpetrator of abuse in rest of India. Data also revealed that 74% of elders do not report the abuse and to protect the confidentiality within the family.
Helpage India released a nationwide report on elders abuse cases. In Goa, there has been 13% abuse of elders, 27% physical abuse and 73% verbal. The main form of abuse, followed by 34%, is reported for disrespect and neglect. According to Helpage India report, in Goa, 39% son physically and verbally abuse elders, followed by daughter-in-law, that is 35%. While nationally, the daughter-in-law has been reported as the primary perpetrator of abuse, that is 39%, followed closely by their own son, 38%. In Goa, 74% of the elders do not report the abuse they facing, citing maintenance of confidentiality of the family matter. It was reported that there is lack of awareness with regard to helpline in the country. But in Goa, police helpline is known to most of the elders than the helpline for the elders. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Swimmers in South Goa annoyed with the authorities of sports department. They say the swimming pool in Fatorda is not clean and maintained. The learn to swim classes have been cancelled due to renovation of the pool, but parents say there is no renovation. Parents have alleged that there is some problem with the water filtration plant for the pool. The swimmers are facing problems, and despite of several complaints, no action has been initiated by the authorities.
We have about 27 RCC students who've been practicing here, and now at the moment the pool is really in a bad state. And that's the reason we've been traveling to cafe, and we've been having tough time traveling every day. Morning we had this state level, and we were traveling morning, evening, twice, about 60 kilometers up and down. Now the pool, we've been informed saying that okay, the learn to swim classes have been cancelled, saying that they are going under renovation. But it's about 2 or 3 months, no one has done nothing about it, and like the pool is in a very bad state.
Looks like this pool has not been maintained for quite some time, and water has become contaminated, and kids are getting ill, getting skin problems. So all sort of health problems are also coming to the kids.
Last 6 months, we've been having problems with the water. Children are falling sick, they're getting infected, ear infection, high fever, skin problems, and we've been complaining so many times, but nothing was done. There's a problem with the filtration plant here, and no cleaning is being done regularly, nothing. We've told the authorities also. Then they gave us the Cafe pool for some time to practice now. We're going to the Cafe pool, but we need to practice on a 50 meters pool. That is an Olympic size pool, and we are given a 25 meters pool. to practice.
We are the students of Marga Pool who've been practicing very hard, going to cafe every day because the school has been closed and we have no idea when the pool is going to open, and it's really hard for us to practice every day in cafe because the pool is really small there.
If you missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.